zenithal projection. For the last 3 days, there is a continuous rain taking place in Delhi. So all the chalks, they are wet and it is difficult to write with them. So this is zenithal projection. In zenithal projection, I gave you 2 types of projection. One is mnemonic, another is stereograph. Apart from that, there are more techniques to construct the zenithal projection. I'll just give you a broad overview of the few more techniques. So one technique is called, third is orthographic. Fourth technique is equidistant. And the there was one cartographer, Lambert. Lambert gave his own technique, purely a geometric technique, Lambert's projection. So since I have already discussed these earlier 2 projections, orthographic. In previous mnemonic projection, we throw light from the center of the earth, from the radius of the earth, from the central point of the earth. Like suppose this is the earth and this is the tangent here, and we throw light like this is 75, this is 60, this is 45, this is 30, like this. So we are throwing light from the center. It is basically mnemonic projection, and you construct it on the basis of the 90-degree pole, the distance to bottom, distance of all the latitudes. In reality, the distance between all the latitudes, it is equal. I mean, if I construct this is equator. All latitudes are equidistant. The distance of all the latitudes, it is equal. It is almost 101 kilometer, 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 111 kilometer. It's everywhere. But here, the distance between latitude, it is increasing. It means it is not giving the true picture or true representation or true area. But in stereography, what we do in stereography, we throw light on the other part of the globe. Other part of the globe means from this corner, if it is 30 degree, so we throw light at 30 degree. And wherever it will touch, it will be here. We throw light at 0 degree. So 0 degree is here, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree. So 0 degree would be here. So the distance of the arc or the circle is we got it. So this is stereographic projection, and in the stereographic projection, the distance is increasing, but it is not increasing like it was increasing in the mnemonic. In mnemonic we cannot show 0 degree because 0 degree is parallel to the tangent. But in stereographic we can construct 0 degree even. The third type, like orthographic, we throw light from the infinity. We throw light from the infinity means if we have, this is another circle, this is 90 degree and this is say 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree. In this projection, if we throw light from the infinity on the tangent, light infinity से light आए तो क्या होगी? Light would be parallel to 90 degree. 90 degree के parallel आएगी light infinity से, so it will be here. From here to here, it is like this. It is like this. So light is coming from the infinity. In earlier, we were throwing light. Earlier, we were throwing light from the one point of the earth. Either it is the central point or the other side of the earth, and here light is coming from infinity. So we could get the distance here. The distance between latitude, when we move away from the center, means 90 degree. Suppose this is 90 degree. When we move away, the distance decreases. Here, the distance between 0 degree and the 15 degree, it is very less. Because when we see the globe from the top, putting the center, North Pole in the center, the side area would be visible in lesser quantity or in lesser area. So, अगर ऊपर से globe को देखेंगे, तो सेंटर में जब देखेंगे तो सेंटर हमें बड़ा दिखाई देगा और किनारे पे, because Earth is in a spherical mode, so that its area decreases. तो एरिया कम दिखाई देता रहेगा, तो कम दिखाई देगा तो ये हो जाएगा. So we can construct the circle on the basis of this distance. तो उसमें सर्कल में हम RF निकालेंगे, RF से हम रेडियस निकालेंगे और रेडियस से सर्किल बनाएंगे और सर्किल से हम लाइट थ्रो करेंगे. लाइट थ्रो करेंगे तो लाइट थ्रो किया तो वी विल गेट द डिस्टेंस. सो दिस इज 0 डिग्री एंड दिस इज 15 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 75 डिग्री. इट मीन्स every degree, on every degree the amount, the distance is increasing. तो हम इसमें अगर इसको 90 मान लें, so it is like this 90. Then 90 से ये 90 है तो ये कितना होगा? 75. उसके बाद जो दूसरी लाइन होगी वो कंपैरेटिवली कम डिस्टेंस की होगी. ये और भी कम हो गया. तीसरी यहाँ से और भी कम डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. फोर्थ में और भी कम डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा और फिफ्थ में और भी कम डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. You can see when we move away from the North Pole, the distance between latitude decreases. So this is called orthographic projection. जैसा दिखाई देता है स्पेस से, अगर हम इसको देखें तो जैसा दिखाई देता है वैसा ही अपीयर होगा. सो अगर ग्लोब को ऊपर से देखेंगे तो साइड एरिया वुड बी विजिबल इन लेसर एरिया. Area would like lesser, but it doesn't mean area has reduced. It is only the appearance, because we are putting the tangent in the center only. तो center से जितना दूर जाएंगे area कम होता चला जाएगा. चूँकि कम नहीं है, because shape is Earth is normal और spherical, तो जितना center से दूर जाएंगे sphere का area हमें कम दिखाई देगा. This is one of the technique, and this technique is good for the navigators. Navigators generally use this technique. जो over the pole travel करते हैं, even the pilot crossing over the polar region के ऊपर से जो aircraft travel करते हैं, so they use this technique. This is orthographic technique. Then one more technique is called equidistant. Equidistant means, since as I already told you, the distance between all the latitude is same, equal. अगर इन सब का distance equal है, तो यहाँ सब जगह equal क्यों नहीं है? So for this purpose, we generally use to construct equidistant projection. Like इसका distance, what is the distance here? This distance is say 15 degree. सो अगर हमें ये 15 डिग्री पता चल जाए तो हम इसको पोल बनाएंगे 15 डिग्री और इसका डबल कर देंगे 30 डिग्री इक्वल, इक्वी डिस्टेंट, सब बराबर है, फिर बराबर, फिर बराबर, फिर बराबर। सो दिस इज इक्वी डिस्टेंट प्रोजेक्शन इन ट्रू सेंस। जब हम देखते हैं अर्थ को तो ऐसे दिखाई नहीं देगा। अगर if we see put the pole in the center, we cannot see earth in this shape, but to show the area कि भाई एरिया बढ़ता जाता है और इससे दूर जाता है, एरिया is almost equal area, but with series of the errors, इसमें बहुत सारी कमियां होती हैं और इसको हम 360 को भी डिवाइड कर देते हैं। So one part of the globe having equal distance between all the latitudes, ये जो latitude है ना, they are parallel and they are these latitudes and their size is very interesting. The size of this latitude is less, इसका size छोटा है, इसका size बड़ा हो गया, इसका size और बड़ा, इसका बड़ा और सबका बड़ा होता चलता है। When we move away from the central pole, the distance of the rings keep increases and it gives almost accurate ratio in increasing ratio. A ring का equator is the great circle as I already told you. It is the largest circle in all. तो जैसे सर्कल का एरिया बढ़ जाएगा, इक्वेटर से नॉर्थ में जाएंगे थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा रिंग, this latitude और छोटा नॉर्थ पोल is a point, it's not line. So pole is the, so we can construct one type of the projection called equidistant projection. Then one more technique Lambert evolved, because all these projections have errors. Either they are not giving true shape or they are not giving true area, or they are not giving true direction, or they don't have the true representation of the area. कुछ ना कुछ सभी projections में error है। आप देख भी रहे होंगे, दिखाई देता है वैसा नहीं है, जो जैसा है वैसा reality में नहीं है। So this is but one Lambert, he evolved another technique. Lambert साहब कहने लगे he evolved this mathematical calculation, and with the help of geometry he constructed a projection, Lambert, the fifth type of zenithal projection. On the basis of RF, if we obtain the radius, this is the R, and from this R, this is the 90 degree north pole or southern pole, any of the pole we can take. In this projection, we can throw the light here, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75. So Lambert said, we should not put the tangent here. Instead of not putting the tangent, he said we should throw light on this degree from the north pole. North pole से हम सारे circle draw कर रहे हैं. So it means what is the distance here? This is the distance from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from north pole to, this is 15 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, and this is 60 degree, and this is 75 degree, and 90 degree. So, इसमें he said we can construct, we should throw light from the center to the point. What is the distance here? And when we throw light, we find the distance. This distance is in decreasing order, and it will represent the true area. जितना area है, it will show you. So 90 degree से 75 के सर्कल का ये distance होगा, 60 के सर्किल का ये डिस्टेंस होगा, 45 का ये सर्किल डिस्टेंस होगा। जो सर्किल बनाएंगे, द सर्किल इफ वी कंस्ट्रक्ट 90 से 75 का ये सर्किल होगा। 60 का सर्किल थोड़ा सा उतना ही होगा, लगभग फर्क पड़ेगा, थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा। 45 का सर्किल भी थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा, लगभग 30 डिग्री में भी एक सर्किल ऐसे बना देंगे, एंड 15 डिग्री में भी एक सर्किल। So we evolved the projection here and with better accuracy, and it was developed to give the true shape and true direction for the navigators. So because basically Mercator developed the projection, but that was cylindrical projection for navigators. सी में सही डायरेक्शन, शॉर्टेस्ट रूट के लिए Mercator projection यूज करते हैं, but Mercator is not showing the polar region. Here we can show the polar region. Pole के एरिया को we can represent truly. So this is one of the technique developed by the Lambert. So these are the 5 different type of projections: mnemonic, stereographic, orthographic, equidistant, and Lambert.